4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map.
Tay, kailangan ang puntahan! Guys, kailangan tabang si Kevin makagawas pag mabulihan ang puntahan. Baliw, buging unog. Able! Able! Louder!
Able!
Salamat guys! Able na puntahan! Ahang,
If
paduman
there's a
ni.
place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map.
Yes, diabot na dyan ko. Wala na ilain baligyan na kuryente dire. Wala na ilain na baligyan kuryente dire. Storya lang sa manager. Ay, good afternoon sir. Unsay problema na to? Ako yung manager sa kuryentehan. Naputlan mo gud kuryente di good. Wala na ilain baligyan nan dire. Pero sir, wala na ba ilain baligyan kuryente dire kay lisod mo pagkatawa ng kuryente good. Ngano ang tubig man lagi, nagkan man lagi na maligya. Kuan mo good sir. Nanay upat ka, butang na to nga. Nanay upat ko market structure. Ang isa kay perfect competition, kaduha oligopoly, monopolistic competition o monopoly. Ha? Isa ba niya? Oo kasabot. Mao tong kuan sir, market structure upat ka buok. Ang kaning kuryentehan, imo ni ang tawag na monopoly. Guys, please repeat. Monopoly. Monopoly.
Monopoly.
Louder.
Monopoly.
Yes sir, ang monopoly na tulo ka assumptions. First is one seller. Ang kaduha, na single product for which there are no close substitutes. Ang ikatulo, there are extremely high barriers. Ang barriers to entry ani sir, first is legal barriers, which is example is patent. Another is economies of scale, or one firm's exclusive ownership of a scarce resource. Man ang kuryente, bisod pangitaw ng kuryente man ang usara ko po mga maligya dyan na. Yan sir, nangutanam ka about atong tubig. That is what we call as perfect competition, part of market structure po na. Ang perfect competition is kuha na siya ka ng price taker, while a monopoly is a price searcher. A price searcher controls the price, so a firm can sell their products. So again sir, monopoly has three assumptions. First, single seller. Second, single seller sells a product which there are no close substitutes. The third is extremely high barriers to entry. So what are the barriers to entry? Barriers to entry are legal barriers, economic scale, and exclusive ownership of a scarce. Perfect competition, monopoly, the profit maximizing condition. In perfect competition, price is equal to marginal cost. In monopoly, price is greater than marginal cost. So sir, nasabot na sa monopoly sir? Nakasabot ako. Karon, nakasabot ako. Dapat i-share niyo ako kay mama.
Siga din sa amo. Maasa ka.
Tara po dito. Tugay ang mo doon.
Taas-taas mo itong bilang pa mo. Saan na nabaligyan sa kurente nga lang?
Awo doon. Sa kita magana.
Wala itawag ang unang pali. Ma'am, istorya sa tawag sa unang pali, ma'am.
Dali.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now.